Why am I here? Why is life here? I think a lot of people struggle with this because they tend to mix the two. Does it make you feel better as a human being? Probably not.
Videnskaben har kortlagt mine gener. Man kan se, at jeg ikke kun er i familie med mine børn og forældre. Jeg er også i familie med chimpanser, spækhuggere og grantræer. Ved skovene, at jeg findes, ligesom jeg ved, at de findes.
Hvordan opstår liv? Er der en bevidsthed? Det er jo nogle spørgsmål, som er helt fundamentale for det at, kan man sige, være i live.
Så her har vi sådan en fyr her, det er en Winchester. Det er sådan en, man kender fra cowboyfilm.
Are they killing a giraffe in a Danish zoo?
Nu starter vi lige så stille og roligt med at lyne lynlåsen op her.
Well, it's horrible. It's horrific.
For mig, der er liv jo helligt.
The whole thing is cruel. I mean, the dismemberment of this animal.
It's not cruel, it's natural.
Why would any species want to move from water to land unless that they had some kind of fantasy about something better?
You want to find some answer? Like that?
I would like that, yeah.
It's the inevitable result of an inquiry into the nature of our own consciousness that you look for the consciousness of other things.
Cognitive states aren't things that happen within us. They're things that happen in the space between people.
If we try and understand the living world as a collection of individuals, we're not going to get very far.
Jeg føler, at jeg styrer mit eget liv. Jeg gør ikke alt, hvad jeg kan finde på. Og jeg tænker, at livet som helhed gør det samme. Vælger til og fra.
Vi hade ju bara liksom erbjudit giraffen ett liv.
If it's all about survival of the fittest, what a horrible earth we are living on, right? What a terrible place.